Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser fan on Opel Astra J. In order to get access to the AC condenser fan, first we need to remove the Torx bolts that hold this plastic grill, and remove the grill, and then remove the metal plate underneath. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the windshield wiper tank. And now we'll start removing the bolts that hold this metal panel. Now that the bolts to the metal panel are removed, we can just lift up this metal panel and put it to the side. We don't need to remove the bonnet cable, just lift it up and put it to the side. Next, we're going to remove this air intake pipe. It's held by one bolt, and then we're just gonna move it backwards and then just try and take it out. Next, we need to remove the AC condenser fan. The fan is held by two nuts that we need to remove right there. Also this electrical connector. We'll start by removing the electrical connector. And now we'll remove the two nuts. And now we can remove the AC condenser fan. Then we can replace the fan with the new one and then assemble everything in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.